In this video, I will share with you a highly profitable trading strategy that will potentially make you a living. This strategy has a high win rate and is suitable for forex, stocks, crypto, and any other market with high liquidity. You can see for yourself how well this strategy does in different market conditions, so make sure you stay focused and pay attention to everything I'm about to show you in this video. Okay, for this strategy we're gonna use GBP/JPY 15 minutes chart. And now let's go ahead and add our indicators. So, for the first indicator, we will search for RSI Relative Strength Index. For the second indicator, we will use QQE MOD. And now we need to select this community script, and type in volume, and we will pick this volume flow indicator by Lazy Bear. Okay, so in order for this strategy to be complete we need to adjust these indicators first. So, let's double-click on this RSI indicator and change the inputs. We'll change this arrow length from 14 to 40 and this MA length from 14 to 150. In a style section we're going to remove everything except for this RSI and RSI-based MA. Now let's double-click on this QQE MOD indicator and get rid of this zero level. And lastly let's change the settings on this volume flow indicator. We will change the signal length from 5 to 20, and the maximum volume cutoff from 2.5 to 0.5. Let's also make these lines a bit more visible. Okay, now our strategy is ready. Let's get into our trading rules. So we're only going to be looking to sell if the RSI purple line is below this yellow moving average. This is a confirmation that we are in a bearish market. Next thing we will need to have is a new red histogram appeared on this QQE MOD indicator. And lastly this orange line of this volume indicator has to be above the green line. And they both have to be below this zero level. We see here we've got all our conditions met. And this is going to be our trigger candlestick. So, we will go ahead and place a sell order. We will set our stop loss at the recent swing high. And we will be targeting 1.5 times the risk. We see this trade turned out to be successful. Exactly opposite is true for long trades. So we only gonna be looking to buy if the RSI purple line is above this yellow moving average. This is an indicator that we are officially in the uptrend. Next thing we will need to have is a new blue histogram appeared on this QQE MOD indicator. And lastly, our volume indicator has to be bullish. So this green line has to be above this orange line, and they both have to be above this zero level. So we see this is a valid long signal, and this is going to be a trigger candlestick. So we will go ahead and place a buy order at the close of this candlestick. We will set our stop loss at the recent swing low. And we will be targeting 1.5 times the risk. Okay, let me now give you a couple more examples, and you'll have an understanding of how to trade with this strategy. So, we'll see we just got a valid short signal. The RSI is below the MA, the QQE MOD just issued a new short signal and the volume is bearish, as well we see the orange line is above the green line and they both are below the zero line. So let's go ahead and place a sell order, set a stop loss and a take profit target. Okay, we see our first trade turned out to be profitable. This short signal is good. We see all our indicators agree. So let's go ahead and take another short position. We see our second trade turned out to be successful as well. I recommend to not set your stop loss exactly at the recent swing high or recent swing low. We got to leave a bit more room because the level of manipulation in forex market is really high. This strategy is in my top 5 overall. I'd say it's really good, so go ahead and back test it and forward test it on different markets and different time frames. As well, you can also tweak the settings on those indicators to make the strategy even better. Now let's check some more examples. Okay traders, I hope you enjoyed this amazing strategy I shared with you today. And if you did, then smash the like button, it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, I'm off, see you in the next video.